Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to transform the equation of the line, of the straight line, from the general formula to the ordinary formula and the symmetric formula. Okay, the general formula, which you already know, is ax plus by plus z equals zero. So we're going to transform it first as a ordinary form, which, as you remember, this helps us to graph, and then we're going to transform it into a symmetrical form, which also will help us to graph. Okay, so let's start with the ordinary form. So here is an example. Our goal is to find this formula, which is going to be the same but written in different ways. Okay, as you can see, this one is y equals something mx and something else, so that means we have to only clear y. Okay, and y will always have to be in, it has to be in a positive way. Okay, so in this case, as this one is positive, I will move 6 minus 6 and 3x to the other side. So 2y equals minus, I'm going to start with 3x, which is adding, and it's going to become a subtraction. And then 6 minus 6, which is subtracting, it will become an addition. Then I'll get rid of the 2, which is multiplying, and we'll divide. But it will divide both of them. So I will divide it separately, so I get this form. So it's going to be minus 2, minus 3 halves of x plus 6 divided by 2, which is 3, okay? So in this way, we can have y equals minus 3 halves x plus 3. And this way, we know that the slope is going to be minus 3 halves, and the ordinate to the origin will be 3. Simple as that. The same thing will happen, so we can transform now to the symmetrical form, okay? We need to transform it into this way. We're going to use the same example, which is 3x plus 2y minus 6. 3x plus 2y minus 6 equals 0. Minus 3, sorry. 3x minus plus 2y minus 6 equals 0. And now we need two things. First of all, as you can see in this case, x and y are on the right side of the equation and the numbers are on the left, the other way around, like left side of the equation, and one is on the right side of the equation. So first of all, I need to move 6. I'm going to move it to the right side of the equation, and it's adding, it's subtracting, it's going to become an addition. I need to transform this 6 into 1. So in order for us to transform it into 1, I'm going to divide it by itself. But I cannot do that only on one side. I have to do it on the two sides. So I'm going to divide here by 6 and by 6 also. Then my equation will not be modified. 6 divided by 6 is 1. And now I get my 1 on the right side. Then I need to transform this into a division. So in order for me to divide this, I'm going to divide like, remember how we divide 6 into 1, okay? But we need to do another one here, okay? And we multiply this one by this one, and it goes in the denominator, sorry. And this one by this one will become 1 in the numerator. So for us to have the 6 on the upper side, and I want it down, so I'm going to change them. So in this case, it's going to be x divided by 6 thirds plus y divided by 6 halves. Because of this, okay, I'm dividing by 1 to transform it into a fraction. In this case, I have a 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay? And I have now my equation as I want it. What those two mean? Okay, if we put them in a graph, this one, as you remember, this is x divided by a plus y divided by b equals 1.